Hello, dear friends. Hello, dear friends. Welcome to today's live stream. So, I thought of conducting it a little bit late today, uh, probably because from 8 to 9 p.m. people were busy with their dinner and all. So, I thought let's try at this time today. So many of my friends have already started to join in, and let's see whether we can have the same strength, the number of people who join in every time when I come live to practice all these short tricks, very very important for all competitive exams. So as I see a number of friends who have joined in already, some prominent names. Prasant Kumar is there, so Ardo Paul is there, Ashna Agarwal is there, okay, Abhishek Anand, Sushma VK. So a lot of my friends have joined in. So what am I going to tell you today? Now, basically, this is a session in which I'll be telling you, cubing of numbers, rather two-digit numbers, and then I'll be going for some percentages also. Justice for Sushma VK. Okay, fine, fine. So, yeah, Vivek, how are you? So let's see the method which I'm going to tell you today, and then all of you can participate in the live competition which I'll be conducting. You all will be participating in that particular cubing short trick live session, and letting me know whether you are getting the method or not. Okay, so fine. So first of all, the method of cubing. Now you all know the identity, right? A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So if you know this identity, then cubing of two-digit numbers will be really very, very easy. Okay. So how do I say that? You need to understand that first. Let us take an example of a two-digit number. Now, before taking the example, let me tell you that knowing the cubes of first 10 natural numbers is the essential condition for this particular trick. If you are aware of the cubes of first 10 natural numbers, only then you will be comfortable in today's live stream. Okay. So let me tell you the cubes of the first 10 numbers, natural numbers, and then you can surely get on with the live stream. 1 cube, you all know, is 1 only. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. 4 cube is 64. 5 cube is 125. 6 cube is 216. 7 cube is 343. 8 cube is 512. 9 cube is 729. And 10 cube is 1000. So these are the cubes of first 10 natural numbers. You should know this. Okay. Now come to the trick. It's not exactly a trick. It is a shortcut method of finding the cube of a two-digit number using the cubes of first 10 natural numbers. Okay. Abhishek Anand, see the geometry playlist on the channel. Class 10th full chapter of triangles is there on the channel already. So that will help you, I think. Fine. So let's see how this can help us in finding the cubes of numbers above 10. So let's take an example of 12 cube. Now, if I want to write 12 cube, now I'll consider this as A and this as B. So this is A and B. So I will write four numbers: A cube, a square b, ab square and b cube. These are the four numbers which you have to write. So what are the four numbers in this case? A cube, 1 cube is 1, a square b, 1 square into 2 is 2, 1 into 2 square is 4 and 2 cube is 8. So I have written the four numbers. Now the middle two numbers are to be doubled. The double of 2 is 4 and double of 4 is 8. So I'll write the double of these two numbers below them. And now I'll put a line and start writing the answer. So 8 plus 4 is 12, 2 and a 1 carry. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1, 7 and then this one. So 1728 is the cube of 12. Friends, remembering the cubes of numbers beyond 11, it is a tough task. Very, very tough task. You know, even I don't remember. You will be really surprised to know that. I don't remember the cube of 17, or I don't remember the cube of even 14 also. But I don't depend on cramming up the cubes. You can't keep on cramming things. Fine. Thank you, Vivek and Noel, Mishra ji, Mr. Ruchi Mishra. Okay. Okay. Abhishek. Yeah. So let's see some more numbers. This everything is not going to be as simple as this because the digits here are 1 and 2. Therefore, it seems to be a very, very easy one. Okay. But once the digit starts growing, like suppose you have 78 cube, 7 and 8, the cubes of 7 and 8 are 343 and 512. That will be little bit difficult, but not as difficult as multiplying 78 by 78, finding the square and then multiplying that again by 78. I don't think that's a very good idea. Okay, exceptions. Noel, there are no exceptions to this. All two-digit numbers can be handled like this. And even if you have a decimal number like 7.3, you can find the cube of 7.3 also. Because ultimately putting the decimal is just a formality. You know the rule of putting a decimal, right? So no exceptions. You can surely apply the trick for all two-digit numbers. Let me take some more examples to make you feel comfortable. Then I'll make you try some of them yourself. Watch this. Suppose 12. I'll now move on. Say 16. See, this is A, this is B. A cube, 1 cube is 1. A square B, 1 square into 6 is 6. 1 into 6 square is 36. 6 cube is 216. So that's what I said. You should know the cubes of first 10 natural numbers. Now double this, you get 12. Double this, you get 72. Now put the line. Start writing from here. 6, 21 carry. Right? If you add them, you are going to get 108. 108 plus 21 is 129. So 9 and 12 carry. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 12 is 30. 0, 3 carry. And finally 3 plus 1, 4. 4096 is the cube of 16. Wow. See those answers. Prasant Kumar, well done. Daksh, well done. Sohardo, Vivek, Noel, Ashna, everybody coming up with the answer there. Okay, good work. Now, where students make mistake in this particular kind of method, they fail to remember the first 9 or 10 cubes. They don't know the squares also. Like I have to write a square b. How to write a square b and ab square? They get confused there. So let me just extend this method. I'll take numbers in 20s now. So numbers in tens, that is from 11 to 20. I think that is okay now. Okay, let's take 23 or 24, whatever you want. Okay, I'll write one more example here. Suppose I want to calculate 24 cube. So this is A and this is B. So A cube is 2 cube 8. A square B. So 2 square 4. 4 into 4 16. A B square. B square is 16. 16 twos are 32. And B cube. 4 cube is 64. Now double this you get 32. Double this you get 64. Put the line 4. 6 carry. So I need to remember this 6 carry. 96 plus 6 102. So 10 carry. 48, 58, 8, 5 carry, 5 plus 8, 13. Here we go. 13824. That is the cube of 24. 13824. So many students have given the answer already. But did you use this method? Friends, please, it's my request, please don't use calculators. Because ultimate aim of conducting this live stream at this hour, is to make you feel comfortable in calculations and not to make you addicted to calculators. So just get rid of calculators. I've never used them in my life, but I can do most of the calculations faster than most of the people on earth, right? So that's what I want everybody to become. Okay. So most of you are saying you are not using calculators. I know. I just requested you that you should not, even if you try to do that, you are spoiling yourself. Well, brain is also a calculator. Good work. Yeah, Vivek. Nice. Let's see some more. Now I'll keep on increasing the numbers and then I'll give you a practice session also so that you can practice and tell me the correct answer. Okay. Well, the next answer which I'll find out is for the cube of 27. Difficult one, mind you. It is difficult one. Okay. 27 cube. See, a cube is 8. A square B. So 4 into 7, 28. 7 square 49, double 98. And 7 cube, yes, 343. A cube, A square B, A B square, B cube. Double this, you get 56. Double this, you get 196. Now put the line 3, 34 carry. 196 and 98 is 2 and 4. So 294. 294 plus 34 is 328. 328 means 8 and 32 carry. This is 70, 84. 84 plus 32 is 116. So 6 and 11 carry. 11 plus 8 is 19. Here you have the answer 19683. Friends, stay cool when you face such calculations. You should stay cool and try not to commit errors in finding a square b, finding ab square, doubling, adding. These are the basic competencies you need to be good at if you are thinking of cubing using this method. Very, very important point. This is something you all need to understand. When you are performing multiplication, squaring, cubing, you should be really good in oral addition. Okay. Oral addition is something you need to practice. And if you can do that, Suman Singh, there's no invitation required for that. You can call any number of students, please. Write the equation. I've written the identity here. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. टीचर कहा है कि पेपर में तो ये तो कूल कैसे रहे, यही तो आर्ट है. दिस इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड आर्ट. मैथमेटिक्स if you want to be, good in mathematics, there are some basic things you need to follow. And that's what I'm trying to inculcate in you, when I come live on YouTube telling you all these things. Okay. Okay. Let's now increase the number. So we have somebody from Tanzania joining in. Welcome, dear friend. I hope you enjoy the session. Okay. Let's see. 3-digit cubes. Okay. 2 digits सीख लो पहले दक्ष. Then we will move on to 3 digits also surely. Fine. Let's come to higher numbers now. Okay. From 20s to 30s. Let's take 38 cube. I tell you, this is not easy. 38 cube. It is difficult. So if you're enjoying the session, click the like button, friends. I can see only 23 likes on the video there, 40 more than 40 people watching. Normally I have 150 people today, I think, and nobody expected that I'll come live at 9. So that's why I think. So you can click the like button if you are really liking the video. Banking aspirant, go for the 24 PDF short trick course, especially for banking. Okay, let's see 38 cube. A cube, 3 cube is 27. A square B, so 9 into 8, 72. A B square, so 64 into 3, 192. And finally, B cube, 8 cube is 512. Now double this, you get 144, this is easy. Double this, you can multiply by 2. 2 to the 4, 2 9 the 18, 8, 1 carry, 2 1 the 2 plus 1, 3. Now start writing the number 2. Now how do I carry 51? Just watch this step also. The 51 is to be carried forward. So let's write 51 here. So 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 comes down and this part will be carried forward now. So what is this part? 38, 48, 57, 62. It is 62, right? 62 carried forward. Now 4 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. Now this part is carried forward. Carry over. So 21, 27. 27 means carried forward here. And you have 27 plus 27 as 54. Now see, even if when I am explaining, we are getting a answer which is quite easy to handle. But okay, so I can see a difference of opinion there. Somebody getting a different answer. Well, 54872 is the cube of 38, because I've done that so many times, I remember that, right? So those who are getting 75872, somebody told me 75872. Prasanth Kumar, please check. Okay, so somebody is very keen on answering the prize question. That was a trend which I used to follow. I used to give a prize question and I used to announce the name of the first person who gives the correct answer. And I used to give the 24 PDF short trick course free of cost. It's a amazing short trick course, which I keep on telling my friends, irrespective of, we invest so much money on our education. Doing an engineering degree or a doctorate degree demands a huge lot of financial support. This short trick course is just nothing. The financial part is to, keep myself motivated. Even educators have to earn, right? They have the right to earn. Okay, fine. Joseph Joffrey, yeah, I can surely do that. I was just trying, 9 p.m. time, because a lot of my friends were like, sir, this is dinner time. Okay, let's see another one. So 38 cube I've done. Let's move on to 40s. Okay, I'll do a decimal now. Just watch very carefully, because when you see decimals, you feel afraid. डर लगता है थोड़ा सा, right? And If you fear numbers, if you start fearing numbers, it is really difficult to get correct answers in maths. Fear of decimals, fear of fractions, fear of square roots, all these fears, it's very prevalent in students. Let's see a number which is more than 40. Let's go for 45. Okay. So 4 cube is 64. 4 square is 16. 16 5s are 80. 5 square is 25. 25 4s are 100. And 5 cube is 125. Here we have the numbers. Double, double, put a line, 5, 12 carry. 12 carry means 2. And then this part is 31. So 31 carry. So now 1. This part is carry. 11 and 16, 27. So 27 is carry. And this makes it 91. 91125 is the cube of 45. Well, well, well. Isn't that easy, friends? See, even when I'm explaining, I'm not taking more than 15 seconds, right? If I don't have to explain and I have to go for only the solution, I'll take 10 seconds. And if you can square a 2-digit number in 10 seconds, you are just one among those very, very few people who can do that. Very, very few people. How to buy the PDF course, Manan Singh Thakur. I've written everything here. WhatsApp this or visit this. Please see. Okay. Let's see now. Okay. You want me to give you one number now up to 50? Would you be able to do that? Up to 50, any number cubing using this method? Can we have a competition? Can I give you one or two numbers? Let me check who comes up with the correct answer in the minimum amount of time. Okay. So only one okay from Arnab Goyal coming in. What happened, friends? You're not ready for competition? Yeah, Charan Sai now. Vivek, Nagaraj, Ravi Aroda, hello to you. Okay. So I think I need to give you more examples, right? Now I was talking about decimals. Ravi, no, it's been 10-15 days I've been conducting live streams. I think you have not clicked the bell-shaped icon on the channel. That is why you're not getting notifications. Okay. Okay. Fine. Let's see a decimal now. I will extend the method and go for a decimal number now. Let's see. See, this is going to be really amazing. Believe it or not, friends, just the right attitude, the coolness, and the application of a short trick is important. I may tell you numerous short tricks, you will appreciate also. But when it comes to applying the short tricks, most of the students fail. Let's see how to cube 5.4. Now see, very difficult job. 5.4 cube. I don't want to put a decimal. I don't want to indulge myself in cubing a decimal unnecessarily complex, making the calculation more complex. What I do is I'll just forget the decimal. I'll go for 54 cube first. Then I'll try to think of the decimal. So 54 cube, how do we do that? 5 cube is 125. 5 square is 25, 4s are 100. 4 square is 16, 5s are 80. And 4 cube is 64. Double this up 200, double this up 160. Start writing the answer 4, 6 carried, so 6 comes down. 24 carried, so 4 comes down. 32 carried, and entire thing comes down. 7, 5, and 1. So this is 54 cube. Now put the decimal. We have one digit after the decimal here. So we will have three digits after the decimal in the cube. 1, 2, and 3. Here is your answer. 157.464. I tell you, friends, very few people can do this in 10 seconds. Can you be one of them? I've done at least 7 to 8 questions now on the board. Can you say confidently that you can do that in 10 seconds? I can do that in 10 seconds. And I don't want to do that in 6 or 5 seconds because doesn't matter, even if I can do it in 10 seconds, I have very less competition. Very few people can do that. Okay, so one question for you. Okay, let's see who gives the correct answer first. Please don't use calculators, and if at all you are using a calculator, please don't write the answer. Let others who are doing it through this method answer. Let's have fairness on the channel. I want good people, right? I don't want huge quantity of learners. I want learners who want really are here to learn something. Let's see. Can you tell me what is 6 point? Okay, I don't give you a point. 62 whole cube. Okay, I've given you one small number and one big number. All cubes are written here. Go for that, friends. I will do it on the board after I've seen your responses. So 62 cube. 30 seconds for you to post your answer. Okay. First answer has come up in 20 seconds from Ekta Shah, 238328. Wow. 238328. Maths Hub, the same answer. Prasant Kumar. Wow. 238338. Okay, Prasant Kumar, did you mistype that or are you saying that 338 in the end? And then Meghna, Sohardo, Anish, Sriharsh, Dimple Singh, Vivek, Charan Sai, P. Srinivas. Welcome, P. Srinivas. He was one of the winners of the prize question and he got the 24 PDF course free of cost. P. Srinivas there. Okay, so I have around 15 answers which have come up for this particular question. Not bad because I know if 50 to 60 people are watching, only 10 to 20 will attempt it because they are seeing with the mobile in front of them, not with the pen and paper, right? But while attending a maths class, you need to be ready with a pen and paper every time. Wow. Yes, Vivek, it is difficult to do it in 10 seconds. That's what makes you exclusive, right? If you can do difficult things well, only then you will be among those elite number of people who can do it, right? Everything demands practice. Go for it. You will crack it, I'm sure. Okay, now let's see the next one. Okay, somebody watching from Bangladesh there. Welcome on the channel. I'll surely consider a request. Sina Vinay Kumar. Vinay Kumar, you didn't send me a message on WhatsApp for getting the PDF course. You were winner, I think, that day. Okay. Let's see the answer for this one, friends, and how you could have done it easily. Watch this. 6 cube is 216. 6 square is 36. Double is 72. 2 square is 4. 6 4s are 24. And 2 cube is 8. So this is 144 and 48. Start writing the answer 8. 8 plus 4, 12, 2, 1 carry. Then 1 carry means 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. So 7 carry, right? See what I have done. I have added these two, 72 plus 72. So 72 means 2 and 7 carry. Now 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 means 3 and 1 carry. Now this is to be carried forward. 21, 22. So 22 is carried forward. 8, 3, 2. See, I used up 15 to 20 seconds just because I wanted you to understand the method. I'm not competing with anyone here. So don't think that if I am doing it in 15 to 20 seconds on the board, I can do it in that time only. That's not the case, friends. This is a demonstration. This is not a competition for me. Okay, great. Okay, Vinay Kumar, you got the PDFs. Good work. Thank you, Krish. Yeah, that's what we are meant to do, right? Being educators, we should be good at our job, right? Right person at the right place. If I have aptitude for teaching, I should be teaching, right? Uh, Sarvanan, 55 years. Hello, sir. How are you? Why couldn't I do so far? That's because you didn't put in a lot of hours, persistent hours. I've been working on a single concept for hours and hours together, and that's why I could come up with 350 short tricks in the PDF course. Every student in India should have this course. It's so difficult to, tell people that this is not for my profit. This is for your benefit. We keep on spending. Once you go out for a dinner with family, you spend 1200 to 1500 bucks. The course doesn't cost you even half of that. But we fail to understand that, thinking that it's an investment. Why should we invest? Like, but it's totally up to you. No problems. I feel that investment that should be done on education. Okay. Vivek, URS Ramanujan. He was one of the masterpieces India has produced, Ramanujan. I'm not even 0.1% of what he was, because his level of expertise was way beyond anybody. So thanks for that. Which class is this? Even if you are in third or fourth class, or you are preparing for any competition, this is for you. R. Santosh. Let's see another one. This is for you. Now you need to tell me what is 7.1 cube. This is for you, friends. 7.1 cube. The cube of 7 I have written here, 343. So you don't need to think about that. Just find 7.1 whole cube. Tell me the answer for this one. No calculators, please. That's not allowed on the channel. Mamta Sharma. Sir, when you will be live? Normally, I come live at 8 p.m. Monday to Friday, but today I came live at 9 p.m. So you need to subscribe the channel. Oh yes, friends, I forgot to tell you. Underneath the video, just watch. There is a subscribe button. So you need to click the subscribe button, and not only subscribe. Along with that, you find a bell-shaped icon. If you click the bell icon and click all notifications, then whenever I come live, you will get the notification on your mobile, and you can click that and join immediately. So you don't have to wait for somebody telling you that Suresh Agarwal sir is live. So you need to subscribe and click the bell shaped icon for getting the notifications. Okay, so 357.911, that's the prominent answer I'm getting there. And I'm so pleased, so many people trying hard for this one and getting it right. Wow. 357.911. If today while sleeping, you say to yourself that you have learned a new competency, learn a new skill of cubing decimals using this identity, my job is done. That's what I intend to create in you, right? Okay, so among so many good people, on the channel, I've not even seen a single false comment. Kudos to you. Double thumbs up for all of you for being so nice on the channel, for motivating the educators in the best possible way, in the best possible conduct you are showing. And I keep on telling to my Indian friends, When you are watching on the social media, on the YouTube, so many people from different countries you have seen today. Already two, three people from different countries are watching this. We are representing our country, so we should be good, right? Fine. Thank you, Sarvanan. Teachers have to be like that, right? Okay, Sanjeev, hello to you. Big hello to you, Sanjeev. Fine, let's see the answer for this. 7 cube, that is 343. 7 square is 49, so 49 into 1 is 49 only. 1 square is 1, so 7 and then 1. Very easy, right? 98 and 14. So 121 means 1 and 2 carry. 130, 147, 147, 149, 14 carry, and then you have 7, 5, and 3. And the decimal comes 3 digits from the right hand side. So 357.911 is indeed the correct answer. And wow, so many people getting that one right. Work done, job done. Okay. Now I'm moving to some other different types of questions. You know, when you cube numbers like this, when the numbers are more than 5, then little bit difficult. So now I'll give you some difficult ones like 56 cube, 78 cube, 89 cube, 87 cube, 86 cube, 95 cube, 97 cube. These are little bit difficult. So let's see whether we can do that because I want to complete this. Yeah, sir is reading everyone's comment. Santosh, I think there's something wrong with you. If you are posting one message so many times, you want to attract attention through false things, wrong things. Try to attract attention through good things, your good behavior. Fine. Then people will be attracted towards you for long. Right. So that's piece of advice for you, R. Santosh. Fine. Let's move on to some difficult ones. So those who have not clicked the like button, take a while, click the like button. I'm sure the session is beneficial for every student on earth. Thank you, Pavan. Let's see now some difficult ones. I'll go for 69 cube. A very difficult one. Let me tell you, friends, if you can get this one right, you are almost there. Try to go for it. I'll solve it on the board, but watch my solution only when you are stuck up somewhere. Okay, let's see. 6 cube is 216. Now difficulty is 6 square 36 multiplied by 9. Now you need to be really quick in this also. 9 6 are 54, 4 5 carry, 9 3 are 27 plus 5 32. There we go. This is how you need to write the number. 9 square is 81, 81 into 6. So 6 1 is 6, 6 8 is 48, 486. And 9 cube is 729. Look at the numbers now. Difficult one. And that's why I said it is difficult. Okay. Now doubling itself is a headache for so many people. Doubling. Let's double this. 324, 648. Very easy. This is okay. 480, 960, and 12, 972. Very easy for me, right? That's because I know how to double numbers. If you speak numbers properly in your mind, you can double. Okay, 9 comes down, 72 gets added here, right? Now, how to add these numbers? If you let's add, right? 10. 10 means 0 and a 1 carry. Now I need to carry all this stuff to the next place. So 97, 98, 105, 153. So 153 carried forward. 8, 4, 12, 15, 5 and a 1 carry. So this is to be carried forward. 96, 106, 111, 112. And there we go. 8, 2, 3. 328509 is the required cube of 69. Well, friends, methods like this, it helps us so much, but practice, that's what is required. Not getting a wrong answer is very important. I can see so many answers being deleted there, right? So, okay, fine. Why did you get it wrong? Friends, getting to a right answer is the first important thing in mathematics. I'll tell you one very important concept which I normally tell to my students in the school. You know, success in competitions or success in Olympiads depends on your performance, right? And performance is the product of accuracy and speed. First, try for this accuracy. You should get the correct answer every time you attempt a question, irrespective of the time you are taking to solve it. And after you start getting right answers, aim for speed. Because unless and until accuracy is there, what is the fun of having speed? What is the fun of driving at 130 kilometer per hour if you meet with an accident every time you do that? So accuracy is the first thing. In mathematics, time free practice. Giving yourself 5 hours, 7 hours, 10 hours a day gives you accuracy. Once you start becoming accurate, then you make the time bound practice. Give yourself 10 questions in 1 hour. Can you get 10 answers correct in 1 hour? That's the second stage. Fine. A lot of lecture, right? Okay, let's see one more question. Final one. So I would like you to go for a number which is difficult one. I've done it once for you, 69 cube. Let's see whether you can do that for 87 cube. Wow. If you can do this, this will be really amazing. But it's not at all easy, friends. Go for it. The cubes of 8 and 7 are written here. You can just copy from there. So let's see who gets this one right in the first attempt. Well, I'm so polite with my subscribers, with my friends. I can see a dislike there. I pity people who dislike educational channels. There are hundreds of things to dislike on YouTube. Why should you dislike a educational channel? Right? Perhaps he has not understood my. Okay, sir, it's very difficult. Yes, Vivek, it is difficult. Now, everything is not going to be a cakewalk, right? You need to work hard. So some people getting that one correct. Let's see. 658503 is the answer I'm getting. But is that correct? Let's see. I'll try to do that on the board for you. Friends, I don't prepare for the live streams. I just think of the topic and I go for it. I don't have any written material with me. I just do it in front of you so that you can really, believe that this can be done. Okay. Well, 82 likes on the video. Can we take it to 100? 100 likes? so that we can think of those two people who have disliked, right? Okay, let's see the answer. How do I do it? That's how I will do it. And once you start getting the correct answer, that's my success. What's this? 8 cube is 512. 8 square is 64 into 7. That's the second number I should write. And then 7 square is 49 multiplied by 8. That is the third number which I should write. So 7 for the 28, 8 2 carry, 7 6 are 42, 44. 8 9 is 72, 2 7 carry, 8 4 is 32, 39. And there we have the three numbers. And the last one, 7 cube is 343. Now double this up, 96, right? 896, 390, 780, 4. Very easy. Doubling is quite easy. Now 3 and 34 carry. 4, 4, 2, 10, 0, and a 1 carry. 1 carry makes it 4. Right? Now this is the carry number. 117, 121 is carry. 8, 6, 14, 15, 5 and 1 carry. So this is the carry number now. 89 and 13 is 102. 146 is the carry number. And there you have 8, 5 and 6. See, rest of the part is very easy. You have to write the entire number here. So 658,503 is the correct answer for this particular question. See, so many of my friends coming up with the answer. Vivek is there, Prasant Kumar is there, Meghna is there, Sohardo Paul is there, Ashna is there, Ashmit, Tactical Spider, okay, Sushma VK. Double thumbs up for all of you who got that one correct. I hope you have used this method. Please practice this, and I'm sure a lot of you will get benefited by this method, especially if you are a competitive exam aspirant. Okay, Pramod Gupta. Yeah. We didn't give any answer today, Pramod. You joined late. Uday Kumar, good work. Lot of competitive exam questions, but I think students are not comfortable with this timing. So tomorrow I'll be coming live at 8 p.m. for a competitive session in which I am going to ask you one prize question. So everybody who joins tomorrow has a chance to win the 24 PDF short trick course free of cost. That will be a prize question. So the first comment, correct comment which I get, that will be awarded with 24 PDF short trick course free of cost. So friends, that's it from me today. I hope you have enjoyed the live stream as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. So it's Dr. Suresh Agarwal signing off for today's live stream. I hope you join me tomorrow. I hope all of you have clicked the subscribe button by now, and everybody is ready for the session tomorrow. So I wait for your company tomorrow. Till then, it's good night and stay blessed, everybody.